Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to connect any soundbar to your TV with an optical cable. Now this is going to work out for any type of TV you have and literally any soundbar at all. Now quickly, first thing you want to do is to take one end of your optical cable, which actually looks just like this, and then you want to connect it to the optical cable port on your soundbar. Every soundbar actually has an optical cable port. It is usually labeled optical or digital audio out. Just go ahead and look for that label on your soundbar and make sure you connect one end of your optical cable to that port on your soundbar. If you're using a new optical cable, you might actually find a plastic cover at the top of your optical cable. Just make sure you open it up before you plug your optical cable to the optical cable port on your soundbar. Now once that is done, you want to get the other end of your optical cable, then proceed to connect it to the digital audio out or optical cable port on your TV. Keep in mind that not every TV has an optical cable port, but if your TV supports optical cable connection with audio devices, then you should be able to find the optical cable port. It looks exactly just like this and it is usually labeled optical, digital audio out or optical out ports on your TV. Now once both connections are done, the final thing you want to do is to make sure that both your TV and your soundbar are on optical cable mode. For most TVs, all you have to do is to head over to the settings of the TV. So press on the settings button and you should be able to go over to the sound settings or audio settings. Select that and then make sure you go under the audio output or sound output depending on your TV, and then select the optical cable connection option. In most TVs, you're going to see the optical cable option from over here that you can actually select from. But if you do not see it from the list of audio out options, you can go ahead and just select the auto, which automatically sets the TV audio to the connected devices to it. If you're using an Android TV like mine, you also have to go over to the advanced settings and then just go ahead and look for the digital audio out, which is actually what we are connecting to, and then make sure it is set to auto and not turned off. You want to come over to your soundbar and also make sure that it is also set on optical cable mode or digital audio out mode. Now most soundbar actually has different audio options. You're going to get the Bluetooth, the HDMI. For my Hisense soundbar over here, the optical cable mode is indicated with OPT, which actually stands for optical. So if I change the mode of the soundbar now, you're going to see now that we have the OPT mode. Now you can proceed to open up YouTube, Netflix or any audio on your TV and you should be able to get the audio coming out from your soundbar via optical cable now. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.